What is it about Harleys that you constantly always want to continue to add and add and add and add to them and do more stuff to them so you can spend more money? And so as you can see, I got a little project here that I'm working on. I already actually installed. I was going to wait to do these with Coach Edwards. Got these wind deflectors on the hands. I actually tested them out. They work pretty good. Pretty amazing. There's really tough, strong brackets that are inside there. You just basically undo the mirror, put the bracket on the actual shield, and then slide the mirror back down, tighten them down. And that's pretty much it. Go test it out. Make sure your mirror's in a good place. Make sure you lock them down, really good and tight. And so pretty easy process, easy install. Definitely made a difference, and I'm sure it makes a pretty big difference during the winter time with those heated grips on there too. So, but what I'm working on right now is per our previous videos with Coach Edwards, you saw that his tour pack broke in half, and so our tour pack has been really wobbly and really shaking pretty heavily to the point that my wife's pretty nervous about it. Shannon, as you all know, number one. And so I made a promise to her that I would try to go through and fix that for her. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to actually order for Mad Van Black their actual winged bracket, so that way it actually has the flats out on the side of the tour pack, and hopefully that will actually make a difference for one, it not to wobble, but two, actually to give it more security with the added weight that's inside of it. And so if this doesn't work and it continues to rattle or shake, then I'm just going to go get the bolted on brackets and just screw it, just do it, because we never take it off anyway. It's always on there. But I had already bought this like 3 months ago, waiting for an install with Coach. And of course, everything else happens in life, and winter came and now has seemed to go bye-bye because it is 90 degrees here in Oklahoma today. So hopefully get out on the bike here in just a moment. I actually want to do some practice sessions. I keep watching others doing the slow maneuvering, and that is an area of opportunity for me. And so, but I know what can help that is get out there and do it and go out and practice. And so that's my plan. And I'm going to start putting this together and installing it. I'll actually keep the video going just so you can kind of see a little bit. I'll probably fast forward through most of it just because it's boring. So cool. Okay. Unboxing. Not really big into the unboxing piece. I know it's pretty cool, but got stickers. I already have some stickers actually already on my tool chest over there for Mad Van Black. And so maybe I'll give those over to Coach Edwards. He likes stickers. They have a big ice cooler that they put all their stickers on. Yeah, man. I'm really hoping this works. Don't tell my wife the last bracket that I bought. Hopefully she doesn't watch this, even though I know she watches every video. It was actually an Amazon special that was not doing really well. And so this one is supposed to have the rubber seal on the top of it that actually stops it from vibrating. It definitely looks a lot more solid structure than what I had on my previous one. But things that just hook in like that are meant to vibrate out, and so I'm sure over time I'll probably have to be doing the actual solid brackets that hold them into the bike. So, okay, well, I'm going to get into it, get going with this install, and hopefully on the other side of this, I'll be able to not have the amount of vibration that has been going on this tour pack. Because the other thing I tried to do is hook a camera to the back of this tour pack, and let me just say, even as great as my Insta360 does with vibrations, it could not hold a straight view with the vibrations because it was just bouncing so bad. So I'm hoping this really actually takes care of that, so we can do some behind the shots POV for the camera, because I know that those are pretty cool looking on film. And so, all right, well, I have now laid down my razor blade somewhere, and this is Brent's life. Just literally had it 2 seconds ago, and now I can't find it 2 seconds later. So, hey, there you go. All right, time to start putting the wings on this, and then we're gonna start putting it together and putting it on there and seeing how it goes. Okay, I'll come back at you. All right, already got the first wing on, as you can see. The other thing I totally did as a typical Brent move is not look at any instructions and just start installing without really paying attention to what I'm doing. So I hope that doesn't come back to bite me. But this is pretty straightforward. I mean, it's just 4 screws. One of the things I do need to do, thinking about the screws that bolt in to this quick release, is probably getting bigger washers that go on the bolts for the tour pack, because right now it literally was just being held on by just the nuts, and that's it. I could see that being a problem for sure down the road with any kind of amount of weight, because you know, when we pack, we pack 15 pounds heavy, because we have now on multiple occasions overpacked ourselves to the point that the bike gets a little top heavy. So gotta do better in that area. Well, we have it on there, and same problem as I lift up, like the whole basket lifts up. You can see kind of movement on its own. For me, it would be fine, but obviously number one's not gonna be okay with that. So I'm going to make a trip to the old Harley dealership so I can spend some more hundos. But that's all right. We'll make sure we get it right and do it right. By the way, this is also another reason why I do not do install videos, because when they don't go right, you kind of really don't have footage. But it's all right. We'll just share what we got and be real, because yeah, I took a rubber mallet to the back of my bike Not that anything, I did not hit the bike. The bike is fine, but the bracket is not. So, all right, off to our next adventure. That's gonna be going and editing more films. Can't wait, gonna be exciting. Hope everybody is having a wonderful week. And it is hot here. I keep looking at the camera lens above the camera instead of the camera. I've just now realized that I'm doing that. So I'm gonna have to be better at like actually looking into the camera instead of like up there. So anyway, yeah, fun times.